We've been seeing so many homeless people. Good morning, beautiful people. It is currently 5:30 a.m. and we're gonna do something really special. We're gonna do something Varanasi is very well known for, and that is a sunrise boat tour. There's actually so much action here on the streets already. I think so many people watch the sunrise here. It's crowded. There's a lot of homeless people on the street, a lot of tourists as well, which is definitely super interesting. A lot of people already, the sellers are up as well, preparing some food. We have the animals are obviously awake already, and a lot of people are praying. We now entered a small tunnel and then we're gonna arrive at the water. Wow, we see something so interesting. I think it's a group of monks, but I'm not sure. And they're all on the riverbanks doing some kind of morning ritual. So interesting to see. Wow, I think the wildest thing for me to see is that so many people are swimming early in the morning. It is packed with people who are swimming and dipping themselves in the river. So crowded, and it's still dark. Wow. Only thing that I don't like is that we have to wear these life jackets, but it's mandatory, everyone has to. So here we go. This is how it looks like. It is so crowded on the side of the river. We just crossed the temple where there are hundreds of people. They're all taking a bath. Apparently today is the day of Lord Shiv, that's why it's so busy. Normally it's a little bit less busy, but I can't believe what we're seeing. One thing that's actually so interesting is that this side of the river is completely filled with whatever you can imagine. Temples, houses, schools, restaurants, people. It's so crowded. But then you have the other side of the river where the sun is now slowly rising. There is nothing. It's basically just sand for the first few meters and some forest after. There's nothing to be seen. Right now, I'm not sure if you can see it. There are some people there and you can see a few boats, but there are no buildings whatsoever. And we just asked our guide and he said, yeah, people just go there just to chill for a little bit. Yesterday we saw some camels there. Sometimes there's a bit of horse riding, but there's nothing else. Everything happens on this side of the river. So fascinating. We are right now at Namo Ghat, and look at these beautiful hands right now. This is built in 2022, which is not long ago at all. And I actually love that statue so much. It's literally, I can't do it with one hand, but what everyone always does, that's why they made it. And it's now not crowded yet, but apparently in the evening this place also gets insanely crowded. But I guess there are some people already, but this is all relatively new. And then here we have the bridge. What's it called again?
Rajghat Bridge.
Rajghat Bridge.
Yes.
Okay, and I have one question. What are the two towers there?
This I think, ma'am, this is on Network Tower. I do not know remember this tower also.
Okay.
Just because no, I just know right now.
Okay.
It's new.
Wow, look at the bridge. It's huge. Such a big bridge. We're going a different direction now, and it's so cold. So when you do this tour, make sure to pack not only an ultra thin blouse, but maybe grab something warmer as well, because it's a little bit cold. Oh, and here you can actually, oh, there's so many more people bathing here. This is more crowded. A lot of people on the side, and most of them are bathing. Not many people are doing the tour, actually, I see. Most of them are just in the water. boats anymore. We have a whole boat there. People, look, everyone waving. That's so cute. And now it's just waiting until we hopefully see the sunrise and we see the sun. I just want to have the sun on my skin as well. Look how cool these beautiful palaces. Actually, a fun fact is that most of these palaces, no one lives in it anymore. They're just used as being hotels or other things like that. It's a shame because I would love to live there. Would be very, very nice. And here you can see there are way more beautiful buildings coming here. This is called Sankata Ghat. I actually see cows and it's getting way more crowded, and again so many people are bathing.
The specialty is there when the people's affected of the death people.
Okay.
And after that, when they get the fire in the body, after that taking the bath is there.
Oh, okay.
For their moksha only. For their moksha only. This is called the where it can be happen. It's called the Sindhya Ghat. When the body get fired in the whole wood and all. After that, when the fire come down and come there to take a bath, and after going to the home. This is the god of Sindhya Ghat, so specialty of there.
Oh wow, that's so cool. Manikan Ghat. This is the burning god, right?
The fire in the wood and all.
Finally, the sun is rising and it is just as I hoped it would be. The beautiful round spot. There you can see it. Oh, and I'm so happy to see it. Because that means it's getting warmer as well. And the beautiful red tones are coming. Wow, the sun came up and all the birds are flying and it's so beautiful. I'm really happy that we just did a little bit of a photo shoot and I loved it so much, but it was really short. I think it was only 5 minutes that we had the time for it because you cannot go like that. You have to drive like this, so that's why we couldn't do it for a long time. But oh my god, the sun and the birds, this is just picture perfect. So good. Oh. And so we made it back to where everyone is washing. Here we walk and then we go up, and a lot of prayers. So cool to see. And here they sell the little flower thingies that you can buy. Put a prayer in the water. Wow, I'm out of breath. Look at this. Oh my god, beautiful. It's so lively in the morning. I love it. Oh, this is actually crazy. We've been seeing so many homeless people. So many. I don't think I've ever seen so much at the same time. But I actually really liked it. This was such a good thing to do. I think this is the best. Ride?
Yeah, it was fun.
I think this is the best thing we've did in Varanasi up until now.
Oh, that's bold.
Yeah, it is, but I really liked it. We are walking to where most of the Agori live, as you can see. They all have their tents set up here, and a lot of them are still sleeping. They have their tents closed. But now, I mean, we have the answer to our question. They really live here. They don't go home for the night. This is their home. That's for sure now. And then from one interesting fact, you go to another. Look at the cow there. And then here you see someone burning the fire and a lot of people sleeping. So they do all live here. Wow. Sunrise, cow eating out of a bucket, Agori sleeping on the side of the street. Varanasi is wild. There they're making a fire. Here someone is start to sell everything, laying out his necklaces. So beautiful. There we have someone playing the drums, making some music. And here they are starting the day as well. Definitely beautiful to walk around in the morning. I'm really happy. It's a little bit less crowded than in the afternoon. I think the craziest thing of all is that, like, the things that you see here. They're folding it up and then they put it all in bags and then they just start their day because people are literally sleeping here. You have the Agoris, but you obviously also have the homeless people. It's kind of sad. I mean, it is sad to see. It makes you think about how privileged we are to live this life and that people are literally sleeping on the streets here. Traveling really puts everything into perspective, I can tell you. And so many other people are walking around here, and here we have again someone just sleeping on the stones, not even anything under it, just one blanket covered around and some laundry, and that's it. Now we are at Raja Ghat, where we are still on the way for breakfast because it is very, very early. Wow, he looks very cool. But they are all smoking something.
Looks like I smell it right now.
Yeah, I can really smell it.
Wow. Wow.
Wow! A lot of people are enjoying the sunrise as well, which is really good. I can't believe how crowded it is here at 6 a.m. 6 a.m. Ladies and gentlemen. That's how early it is. Wow, and we have... This is beautifully laid out. See, that last one was what I meant, is that they just have a kind of mattress and a blanket and they fold it up. And here you can see the whole life of one Agori, probably. A little bench, some fire, and here he sleeps. Crazy. Hello. Wow, they look so beautiful. Namaste. Stunning. We have found the dog man. There's this one guy and there's so many dogs walking around him. I think he feeds them. But there's one dog who's being bitten all the time. Look at all the dogs. He's trying to get them in check, but it's so difficult. And here you can see them running around. So here we have 3, 4. These are the good boys. This is the bad one, the black one. And then these are all the good boys. Look at this. Oh my god, this is so cute. And then he feeds them. I don't know what it is. It's so cute. He was probably too fast, so he hit him. Oh, look at how many dogs there are. Oh my god, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 dogs. And like there are also the puppies here. This is so cute. And this is the guy. He's such a legend. Oh my goodness. Wow. It is time to leave the Ghat and the sunrise and to get some breakfast because we need it. I've been sick actually, so I'm very weak. It's time to fuel myself with some food. We'll say goodbye to the beautiful sunrise. This was such beautiful experience. So this is my breakfast. It's nothing special, unfortunately, because my stomach is still not doing well. But we are in one of my favorite cafes, which is actually called Mona Lisa Cafe. I really like it. Atmosphere, so good. It's nice and quiet still. It's now 8 a.m. and it's getting a little bit more busy on the streets because the honking started already, but we've had a really good, quiet morning.
Banana pellet crepe. Banana mousse with milk. 10 out of 10.
And right now we've had some really nice breakfast. I'm very happy. And we are walking back slowly through the streets that are getting really busy. Look at all the fruit freshly piled up. That looks so good. And it's nice to see the fruit stalls early in the morning. Everything actually looks really clean and fresh. And then at the end of the day, obviously everything is dirty. But it's good to see that they start with like fresh things. And here we enter a very busy part. I think it's like a small morning market that we are entering here with all the fruits and veggies. Very nice. If I would do my own cooking, I would come here to buy in the morning my own products. Hello.
Hello. How are you?
Good, how are you?
Fine, man.
Ooh, nice oranges. All looks just as delicious. Wow. And reading the morning paper has to happen, obviously. Wow, I can't believe, look at all the snacks here. People are getting in line. Oh my god.
You okay?
I didn't even see that. Yes, I'm fine. You always need to have eyes and ears everywhere here because there's just so much going on. If you don't look for a second, you maybe fall over a cart or over a cow. You never know. Wow, no more morning silence. Oh, look at the monkey. One of the first monkeys I've seen. It's just chilling there by the temple, eating a nice fresh potato that he probably just stole from someone. And here, more selling and coconuts as well. It all looks very, very beautiful. And here they have the nice morning chai that everyone is drinking. And some food. It's crazy to see how much life there is actually on the streets. No one is sitting in restaurants, everyone is just out and about on the street, eating, buying things, playing with their children, talking with friends. Super busy, super crowded. But we go in this small one, this small beautiful street. This is such a beautiful goat. Look at this. Wow. And pregnant. Very pregnant goat. Oh, we have a busy street again. Let's cross it here. Let's see. Oh, there's photography tour. Wow, I don't think there's not a single boring moment here on the streets. There's just something everywhere. Wow. And now we made it back to the street. It's only 9 a.m. to the street where we are actually staying. Hi! And it's so nice because it's like a laundry street. And they're all just doing the laundry outside, which is definitely super interesting to see. And they have some birds here. And you know what? After that, it is time to have a small nap, which I'm actually excited about. And then later on today, we're gonna explore even more. And I will see you guys then later today. For now, I'm gonna end this video here. It's a very short video, but I hope you guys enjoyed watching this as much as we enjoyed this morning. It was so magical. Thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to like and subscribe. And as always, I'll see you in my next one. Bye!